Hello guys, welcome back. So without wasting the time, we will start today's video. I know it's a long gap, so we'll talk later. Just to focus on the topic. So today's topic is Redis. So whenever we try to use Redis CLI, we get something like could not connect to Redis at 127. So what basically happened is I started my application, okay, Spring Boot application where I'm using Redis, okay. So whenever I'm trying to hit from the postman, I'm getting 500, if you can see. So basically, and then I tried Redis CLI. So basically, Redis CLI only work when you start your Redis server. So I haven't started, so it will not work. So what you need to do is start the new terminal and type Redis server. Oops, Redis server. Okay, and enter. So now your Redis server has been started, and now if you try to hit from the postman, send, oh my god, I got the result. So simple. Redis CLI will not work if you haven't started your Redis server. So make sure you have started the Redis server. So in this video, that's all. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.